Bible verse today comes from 1 Corinthians chapter 2, verse 10. So this is the verse right after our Bible verse for this week. And this verse says, "These are the things God has revealed to us by his Spirit. The Spirit searches all things, even the deep things of God." All right, so today we are going to learn about dividing by 10 when it comes to long division. All right, so we've used a four-step procedure to divide by one-digit numbers. We'll use the same four-step procedure to divide by two-digit numbers. So in this lesson, we're going to learn to divide by 10. So we are on lesson 105. This is on page 666. And the title is just dividing by 10. Okay, so our example, I'm going to show you the example and how they do it, and then we'll work through this example together and some other examples as well. Okay, so when we look at a division problem, we go to our first number. 10 will not divide by 4, but it will go into 43 4 times. In step 1, we are careful to write the 4 above the 3 so that we don't get confused. And we multiply 4 times 10 and we get 40. Write that underneath 43. We subtract, put our 3 down there. We have to bring down our 2, making it 32. So then we repeat. We divide 32 by 10. We write a 3 above. We multiply 3 times 10. We get 30. We subtract. We have a 2 left over. There's nothing to bring down. So the answer is 43 with the remainder of 2. Notice that the remainder is the last digit of the dividend. That's interesting. When dividing by 10, there will be no remainder if the last digit of the whole number dividend is 0. So if the last number here, last digit, is a 0 instead of a 2, there will be no remainder. And we know how to check it by multiplying 43 times 10 and adding 2. All right, so now they just have examples for you to do. So I'm going to do a few of these with you. But again, we are experts at division at this point, so we should be pretty good with doing this. Okay, so this is part of your homework. So if you're watching my video, do it with me, and then you have part of it done. Okay, 10 cannot go into 7, but 10 can go into 73 7 times. 7 times 10 is 70. We have 3. We have nothing to bring down. So 7, remainder 3. Don't forget to check. 7 times 10 is 70. Then we add our remainder. We get 73. There you go. I've given you the answer to letter A. Letter B. 342 divided by 10. 10 cannot go into 3. It can go into 34 3 times. 3 times 10 is 30. 34 minus 30 is 4. It's not bigger than 10, so we have to bring down our 2. 10 can go into 42 4 times. 4 times 10 is 40. We subtract, we get 2. We have nothing to bring down, so we have a remainder of 2. 34 times 10, we know that that is just 340, and we add 2. There you go. We did B together. I'm going to, you can do C on your own. We're going to do D together. We have 720 divided by 10. 10 cannot go into 7, but it can go into 72 7 times. So 7 times 10 is 70. We subtract, we get 2. We bring down our 0. 10 can go into 20 2 times. 2 times 10 is exactly 20. 20 minus 20 gives us 0. So we have no remainder. Let's check it. So the easiest way to do this multiplication is 72 times 1 is 72, and then we add our 0. Boom. So when it ends in a 0, you're not going to have a remainder. Okay, so go back and finish the lesson practice problems. So you have C, E, F, and G. And then you are doing the even problems today as well for your